Today, we're exploring the incredible biological camera that's sitting right inside your head.
So is it fair to compare your eye to a camera? Absolutely. Let's see how.
We're going to follow a single ray of light on its journey from the world into your brain. This whole trip happens in 6 main stages, from light entering to your brain creating the image.
First, light passes through the cornea. You can think of it as the eye's protective front window.
Like a powerful lens cover, it does most of the heavy lifting, bending light to start focusing.
Next up, the iris and pupil. These two work together to control how much light gets inside. Just like a camera's aperture, the iris changes the pupil size, so you're not blinded by light.
Now for the fine-tuning. That's the job of the lens, which sits right behind the pupil.
But here's where it gets really cool. A camera lens moves, but your eye's lens changes its shape. It gets thicker to see things up close and thinner for things far away. It's incredibly flexible.
All that focus light finally hits the retina. This is basically the camera's digital sensor.
The retina is packed with photoreceptors, including a whopping 120 million of these little guys. Rods, they're the masters of seeing in the dark, but they only see in black and white.
The retina also has about 7 million of another type of cell, and these are called cones. So, as you can see, rods vastly outnumber cones, but cones have a very different job.
Cones are what give your world all its vibrant color and sharp detail. They just need lots of light.
These cells turn light into electrical signals, which then shoot down the optic nerve to the brain.
But the way this nerve connects to the eye creates a really peculiar side effect.
See, where the nerve plugs in, there are no rods or cones. This creates a tiny natural blind spot.
So these electrical signals finally arrive at the brain for the last step, processing. And this is where your brain performs its most amazing trick. You won't believe this.
The image that lands on your retina is completely upside down. Your brain instantly flips it right side up.
It also merges the two separate views from your eyes into one seamless 3D picture of the world.
It makes you wonder, if your brain is building so much of your vision, what else is it interpreting?